This girl in my class wore her hair like this yesterday, and she's so pretty, so today I tried to copy her hairstyle and I literally look like my big toe, so there's that. Hello everyone, it's Julia Elise. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia Elise and I would love it so very much if you stuck around by subscribing. I post new videos every single week and I would love it if you join this family. I have the best family here on the internet, and yeah, just subscribe. You won't regret it. Sorry my voice sounds a little raspy. I was sick like 2 weeks ago, but my voice just will not return to normal, so I'm sorry about that. But today I am doing a couple different things. Not really. I'm doing my perfume and fragrance collection. I've been dying to do this video for so long because I am like literally the most scent oriented person I've ever met. Like, I'm obsessed with smells. I'm very scent oriented. I've been like that since I'm a little girl. I asked my parents if I didn't like the way something smelled, we literally had to leave the restaurant. I think it's actually probably a problem. Also, I'm really excited to be partnering up with Scentbird for this video, so I'm so excited to be an affiliate with Scentbird. I'm going to be unboxing my Scentbird stuff, and I'm just so excited to kind of add some more perfume to the collection, and I think Scentbird is such a great way to do so. So you'll also be seeing that in this video. So if you're interested in seeing how I keep myself smelling real good, just keep on watching. Let's start with the Scentbird unboxing because I've been waiting to smell each of these and I cannot wait to see what they smell like, to see if I like them, to see if I vibe with them, because I feel like shopping for perfume online is almost like online dating. Like, in person, will you like the description of what it is? Do you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I got the Miss Heartbreaker Collection and all of the scents sounded like I would like them, so that is why I got this collection. But Scentbird also has the opportunity for you to purchase a monthly subscription, so all you'll get is the carrying case, and each month you can pick a designer scent that you think you would like. So I think that's a really cool opportunity, but since I already have like my favorites, I decided to go with the Heartbreaker Collection, which comes with 3 carrying cases with 3 designer perfumes, and they're honestly so big. Like, I'm shocked at the size of this. Like, this is a pretty hefty sample of a perfume. Like, this is probably like a year's supply of perfume if I like each scent. So I thought the colors were really beautiful and they'd be super easy to see inside your purse. So this is the Aquamarine case, and this scent is, ooh, it's Dolce by Dolce & Gabbana. I don't know if you guys have smelled that before. I'm a sucker for citrus smells, so I vibe with this. Really fresh and clean. I actually do like this one. So in this yellow case, this is really, I actually really like this color. It's pretty. This is Gucci Guilty. I don't know. Ooh, okay. I kind of gave myself a minute with the Gucci Guilty, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't like it. It is way too mature for me. It's super floral. Definitely gravitated towards this set because Gucci is like a really popular brand right now, but I do not like a spicy floral scent. My aunt probably would love this, so I'm gonna probably give this one to her, but I'm just being honest with you guys. I don't like spicy floral. Finally, we have the sky blue case that is Juliet Has a Gun. So this is supposed to be floral, iris, raspberry, and sandalwood with an intoxicating scent. Oh, I just got lipstick on it. Okay, so this one is kind of like if Gucci Guilty and Dolce had a baby. This is what it would smell like. I do like this. Again, I do think it's a little bit more mature for me on a day-to-day basis, but I could totally see myself wearing this on a job interview, to work, but also for like a formal event, for like a wedding or a bar mitzvah. That was oddly specific, but I do like this one, and I do like the aquamarine colored case, the Dolce by Dolce & Gabbana. I feel so fancy to have like all these designer perfumes, and this set is super affordable, so I will link this down below. If I have any discount code that they offer me to give to you guys, I will link it as well. You know how there's like cocoa beans in a fragrance store? I'm just gonna kind of give you the lowdown on all of my favorite fragrances, how I kind of came to liking it, and what it smells like, because I think I'm pretty good at describing scents, but I might be wrong, and by the end of this video I might be proven wrong that I'm not good at it. But it's interesting enough because me with fragrances, I either really love it or I really don't love it. So it's interesting because I think my relationship with fragrances is very similar to those with other human beings. Like, if I vibe with it, if I really like it, then I like it for life. Like, we are sold. But if I don't like it, then I really just want no part of it. And that's kind of how I am with people. Like, if me and you vibe, if we get along really well, if I find myself gravitating towards you, then I stick around with those people for life. And that's just how I am. Why did that get so deep? Okay, so first I'm gonna just talk about my full-size fragrances. So if I have purchased a full-size fragrance, that means I most likely have loved it. So first and foremost, I always start by purchasing a rollerball. If you've never seen one, here's one. I'm going to be talking about this one, but this is a rollerball. You just roll it on your wrist or any areas you want to smell good, and they're really great for travel. So that's how I start off with a fragrance. I always buy a small size or a roller bomb to make sure that I really like it. I actually only have 2 full-size perfumes, and first I'll talk about this one. I've had this perfume. It is Taylor by Taylor Swift. And I have not worn this in a very long time, but I still love the smell. It still makes me happy. It still brings me back to a place from high school. I wore this all through my senior year. It reminds me of when I first met Brennan, because this is the fragrance that I wore. My ex hated this smell. He said it smelled like a bathroom cleaner. Yeah, so hence why we're not together anymore. It's just such a nice warm citrus smell. If I could describe it, it's a warm citrus, and I absolutely love the smell. The packaging is adorable. I love the pearl. This is my 3rd repurchase of this, and it's just an all-around good everyday smell. The warm citrus is just very comforting, and I think I just gravitate towards this one, and it's really good. This next one is actually a gift from an ex-boyfriend, but I still really love the smell. It is Daisy by Marc Jacobs. I think everybody knows what this smells like, but it's a really citrusy floral. And I typically hate floral smells because I think they're old ladyish, but this one, to me, it has notes of sweetness and citrus, and I do like it. This, for me, is a formal perfume. I do not wear this every day. This is like my business perfume. If I'm wearing a blazer, if I'm going on an interview, this is the perfume that I gravitate towards. I don't know why. It makes me feel like a boss-ass B-word. So next I'm going to talk about my 2 favorite body sprays. So the one is from Bath & Body Works, and it's actually discontinued. I don't even want to... So I have about 5 of these saved up because they're really rare to find. Sometimes they resurface in the semi-annual sale. Lemon Pomegranate Cream, and it's a fine fragrance mist. So really the title of it is spot on. It's sweet, but it's citrus and it's comforting to me. I love the smell. My favorite time to wear this fragrance is when I'm wearing a sweatshirt. For whatever reason, when I'm wearing a hoodie, a sweatshirt, it, like, when I spray myself with it, it just clings to it, and it will smell like this for days, but not overpowering. It's amazing. I love this fragrance, and again, I love the packaging. It is so springy and beautiful. Like I said, this is discontinued. I actually purchased this newest bottle at a flea market. They had them there. They had a bunch of discontinued scents, and like I said, sometimes it does resurface during the semi-annual sale, which is always really exciting. So I always stock up when I find this. It's also on eBay. If I can find it, I will link it. This is my favorite scent from Bath & Body Works. So amazing. Oh, love it. Okay, and the only other body spray that I like is the pink Fresh and Clean. So I actually got this on sale super recently, probably about 2 months ago, with my friend Nicole, and she was like, no, Julia, like, you're going to like this. And I'm like, I'm very picky, but Fresh and Clean. If I could describe this scent, to me it smells like freshly washed clothes elevated. It's clean laundry, but with a little bit of floral in there, a little bit of perfume smell, if that makes sense. Like, it doesn't smell like Tide Pods all over you, because, oh wait, I probably can't talk about that on here, can I? Again, if I'm just dressed super sporty, if I'm going to the gym, I will just spray a little of this. It smells so good. I just will like spray it in the room sometimes because it just smells clean, makes me think, even when I'm super gross, haven't showered, I feel clean when I put this on, and that's important. I literally bought this so recently, and I've already used a chunk of it. It was on sale for $5 when I got it, but I think it retails typically for $18, so I mean, not too bad. Love this smell. If you want to smell clean, if you want to smell fresh, I feel like this is probably the most universal fragrance. Like, I've never met a person that doesn't like this smell, because who doesn't want to smell clean? Like, I want to talk about my 2 roller bombs. Is it roller balls, roller bombs? I'm not sure. So when I'm in this phase of the fragrance process, kind of means that I'm still getting to know the fragrance and deciding if I want to go and spend the money to get, you know, like a full size product of it. And for these, I think I'm going to, once I finish these up, I'm going to. So I actually have 2 Prada Candy roller balms because my boyfriend just keeps buying them for me, which is so sweet. Okay, Prada Candy. To me, it just smells super warm, super vanilla-y, but not nauseating. So you know the vanilla scent from Victoria's Secret? I think that smells nauseating. Now this smells very grown-up candy. I actually get a lot of compliments when I wear this. My boyfriend really likes it, obviously. He keeps buying it for me. Still on the fence about buying a full size. I just don't know if it's necessary. I don't wear enough. Like, obviously, I don't douse myself in this because I still have a lot left, so I'm on the fence, but it's a really great smell, especially if you like sweet, if you like warm. It's just cozy to me. I think it's the perfect cold day perfume. Prada Candy, folks. Okay, so finally I have another roller balm, and this is Marc Jacobs Decadence. So this comes in a gorgeous emerald green bottle, and I just love the packaging. I love this smell. It's just one of those smells that I don't know what about it just speaks to me, reminds me kind of my aunt, which makes me feel comforted because then I think of her cooking and her hugs, and I'm like, I love my Aunt Patty so much, so this reminds me of her. I looked up what's in it, and there's actually notes of rose in it, and I have found myself gravitating towards rosy fragrances recently, which is weird. And I actually just recently bought a candle that I found out has rose in it as well, so I'm like, okay, so maybe I like citruses. I also like rose, so that's interesting. So this is a really good smell. This is my formal smell. So it's perfect because it's a roller. You know, it's portable. I can put it in my clutch or my purse if I have a formal event. This is my wedding smell. This is my bar mitzvah smell. I wore it to Brennan's baseball formal, to his cousin's wedding. I'll probably wear it to my brother's wedding, maybe even my own wedding. That's kind of getting ahead of myself. I really enjoy it, and I recommend it. If you're into rosy smells, I think this would be good for you. Well, okay, you guys, so that is it for my fragrance collection and for unboxing my new Scentbird products. I'm so stinking excited to be working with them. And if you're interested in purchasing this collection, I will link it down below along with Scentbird's website because they have some really awesome deals and steals. I'm obsessed with the fact that you can get designer fragrances for less because, like I said, there's a lot of getting to know your fragrance before you purchase involved, and I think Scentbird is such a great way to do so. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. What is your go-to smell / fragrance, and where do you get it? Because I'm always interested in trying new fragrances. It's funny how everybody has such different tastes and smells. Smelling good is so subjective, but this is the way I think I smell good. So I love all my perfumes, and of course I love you guys. So if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and do so at this time. Go ahead and check out my social media, and I also want to thank you guys so much for all your support in my last video. It was a really difficult thing to kind of put out there on the internet. I didn't know how people would react. We all really appreciate that, so thank you so much. But if you have not seen what's going on with my mom, I will link that down below as well. I love y'all so very much, and I hope you have a great day, an even better week, and I'll catch up with y'all later.